Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Idle Office Tycoon for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So go to zoomods.com. The site's got a bunch of modded apps. We're going to go to the search bar and just type in Idle, and as you can see, there it is, Idle Office Tycoon. So press on it and it's going to start downloading the mod. Now before it downloads, guys, there's one more step. It's a verification, and I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So basically what we need to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store. So let's wait for this to load and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright, so basically guys, it's going to load this page and it says please install 2 free apps to finish installing the Idle Office Tycoon mod. So the problem is there's a lot of people out there that will download 2 of these apps, they won't read the instructions, and it won't work. So you need to make sure you read them and complete them. So for instance, TikTok says down, run for 30 seconds, fetch this, open and sign up. So when you're ready, just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the app store, you download the app, you're done. Now, I want to say I did Family Island, this one right here. I had to reach level 10 on the game, but this one isn't coming up anymore, so it might not be available. But as you can see, we got all these apps here, so just pick 2 of them. It doesn't have to be the same apps as me, you just have to download 2 of them, run them, and complete instructions, and then you will get your Idle Office Tycoon modded version for 2025. So this actually works, guys, as you can see. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, all you got to do, guys, is complete that verification. It's very easy to do, and I've done it like 100 times for different games and stuff on this website. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, peace out.